300. Tapos nakakuha na tayo ng 4, diba? Oo. Kalahating kilo na. See, this part is giving flowers already. This one. Are gonna give flower, you can see that it's small. See this one too. So yeah, even though they're small, they're already starting to flower. This one have more bigger one. I'll show you our paprika. See, they have flowers now. Aray ko.
Planted tomato. No?
Yeah, that's why. Aray ko. If you see this, don't. No, it's okay. Ay, yeah. See, these are. I'll show you first. These tomatoes. It's replanted by Madam Ejean. See, there's so many everywhere. So I should be careful where I stand, where I step. But I'm gonna show you our paprika. That is flowering now. The last video I took, I think it was 35 days, but now it's more than that. The flower is off. That means it will have a paprika soon. See, you can see that flower, this flower. Oh, it's coming off. Once it's coming off, once it's off, there will be paprika. It's the fruit next. I'll show you here. Woo! So many tomato. Yeah, but here, oh, see, there's no flower anymore. Out. And this is also out. That means paprika will be there soon. There too. You can see a lot of them have flowers. And oh, this is gone too. Actually, a lot is gone already. There too. So we'll have paprika soon. But the thing is, these paprikas are from the paprika itself that you
buy in the market.
Yeah, we buy in the market, so they are not like big.
They will be small.
They will be small, but they are still paprika, so it doesn't matter. So we'll show you again when it's already like showing, when the paprika is showing. This is our paprika. Paprika update. See, we have big paprikas now. These whites are only like dust, mud when we are watering it. See, all the paprikas here have fruits now. And they are big. Wait, I'll show you. See? Paprika is big. How big it is? It's big compared to the... Some people plant paprika but they don't get big. And we put the rabbit droppings. Tain ng rabbit. And here you can see so many tomato. Here, tomato plants. We have no space to replant them. But see, paprika, more paprika. Here, there. Paprika. And this one is the most paprika plant with paprika fruit. Here. And the biggest one. See? A lot in one. Nice. You wait for them until they are ready to be harvested. Which when they turn red, now they're turning yellow. Like this one. And this one too. And this one is just new. And see the flower from the paprika. When this white one falls, then the paprika will be going out. See, they're still having flowers. I don't know why my camera is getting blurry. See, yeah, that's better. See, they have many fruits. And this flower, this one, when it falls, it will become, a paprika will be coming out. I'll show you again because the camera was blurred before. See, we have so many fruits, and this one is getting ready to. This paprika. When it's more redder, we will pick it. And that one too. So many. And paprika is expensive now in the market. See, there's my husband. See, nothing. See, so big. We didn't expect this to be this big, but yeah, this one is actually bigger, but it's still young. See, the white thing is dust. So we have so many paprika. Every paprika plant have now paprika fruit on it. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, there's one in the back. 15, so that have 4 in it. 16, 7. That is still small. 17, 18. Is it 18? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Oh, 31. We have 31 paprika. So yeah, it will be ready soon.
Hawakan ko yung ano.
Oo, hawakan mo, madam. Ito na po ang ating opening. Cut. Oh, tingnan nyo naman po. Masustansya. Alin pa?
Yung isa.
Are?
Are.
O yung, hindi ko napansin yan. Yan na po. Tingnan nyo naman po kung gaano kalaki, oh. Dahil po sa mahiwagang kamay. Sagupit yung kamay. Tama na po yan. Okay.
Ito, ang laki rin.
Oo, ang laki na, no? Oo. Pero hindi pa. Saka na yan. Saka na po yan.
Ano, pwede na?
Sige mo daw.
Kaya kunin ko na rin.
Oo.
Bago na po.
Nagupit yung kamay mo.
Ito yung sanga.
Bugburgerin pa yan eh.
Eh, ano na rin yan? Mga nag-aulan eh. Baka mabulok lang. Ano. Hirap na, hirap na. Wow, nakakatuwa naman. Sarap mag-ano.
Wait lang.
Mag-harvest.
Bumutok na nga eh.
Ito pa. Namatay na rin po ng ere.
Kaya nga, hindi na yung mabubuhay.
Ere, pitasin na rin natin.
Nasaan? Oo, mapula na yan.
Mama, baba ako.
Tsura ang dami.
Ano pa? Nakakatakot naman kainin yung maitim na yun. Pero din eh, kailangan pawari rin umano.
Baho na yan.
Ari o mapula pero hindi pa.
Hindi pa yan.
Ay pumutok na nga eh.
Putok?
Oo, yung ilalim.
Pumutok na.
Sobrang init yan, ano?
Ay, kunin na natin yan.
Yan o. Ari.
May guyam din.
Pula? Wow. Pwede na yan.
May guyam.
Wow. Wala tayong lalagyan.
Hinog na.
Kakaiba ang itsura niyan. Yan po kayo maging natatangi. Bulak ka no?
Maroon.
Laki na no? Yun din no?
Ere, may malaki din ako nakita. You know, yun, nakadulo na yun. Yung green to.
Nasaan? Aho. Ito na po ang aming ani.
Aba, may ano na yan, may kahalos ano na yan, mahigit 1 quart na yan. Pag abilhin mo yan, bili ng...
Murahin lang yan. Thank you for watching and please like the video. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're updated with our new videos. Bye!